Hello, welcome to our video. Breast cancer symptoms? 8 foods to help prevent breast cancer risk. Breast cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the breast. It can start in one or both breasts. Breast cancer is a disease in which cells in the breast grow out of control. Breast cancer can spread when the cancer cells get into the blood or lymph system and then are carried to other parts of the body. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women, with invasive breast cancer affecting 1 in every 8 women in the United States during their lifetime. DNA damage and genetic mutations may cause breast cancer. Lifestyle also plays a critical role. Research links smoking, estrogen exposure, heavy drinking, and certain dietary patterns, including Western diets high in processed foods, to an increased risk of breast cancer. It also occurs in men, although male breast cancer accounts for less than 1% of all breast cancer cases. Breast cancer survival rates have increased, and the number of deaths associated with this disease is steadily declining, largely due to factors such as earlier detection, a new personalized approach to treatment, and a better understanding of the disease. It's not clear why some people who have no risk factors develop cancer, yet other people with risk factors never do. A woman may reduce her risk for breast cancer by eating higher amounts of foods with nutrients and antioxidants proven to fight cancer. Certain vitamins and nutrients can reduce your risk for breast cancer. If you meet breast cancer risk factors, eat the following 8 healthy foods to lower your risk. 1. Dark leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and collard greens are some of the many dark, leafy greens that can fight breast cancer. Leafy greens get loaded with antioxidants that can destroy free radicals that cause cancer. Researchers found that women who ate dark leafy greens had a far lower breast cancer risk than women who didn't eat these vegetables. Dark leafy greens go great with nearly every meal. Saute them in garlic and olive oil, or add them to salads and sandwiches. They also taste great in soups and chilies. Dark leafy greens include arugula, bok choy, collard greens, dandelion greens, kale, mustard greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnip greens. 2. Don't forget protein. Protein helps maintain lean body muscle. Protein include meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, soy, and dairy products. A person's protein needs depend on a lot of different things: age, weight, height, and activity level. Everyone's protein needs are different, but fighting cancer and going through cancer treatment increase protein. A good rule of thumb is to include protein at least 3 to 4 times per day if you're eating normal portions of foods, and at least 4 to 5 times per day if you're eating smaller than usual portions of foods. 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain vitamin C, folate, calcium, and many other nutrients that may prevent and fight breast cancer. Researchers learned that women who ate plenty of citrus fruits were 10% less likely to get breast cancer. Citrus fruits can be eaten plain as a snack between meals. They can also enhance the flavor of tea and water. Try using citrus fruits as an ingredient in salsas, marinades, salads, and healthy desserts. Citrus fruits include clementines, grapefruits, kumquats, lemons, limes, oranges, pomelos, tangerines, and tangelos. 4. Allium veggies. Allium is the Latin word for garlic. However, there are many more vegetables in the allium family shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer. Allium vegetables contain high amounts of vitamin C and antioxidants. They also have sulfurous compounds that can prevent blood clots and strengthen the immune system. Researchers found that women who ate lots of raw garlic and leeks had a lower risk of breast cancer. Allium veggies include chives, garlic, leeks, onions, scallions, and shallots. Allium veggies can get added to nearly every meal, especially onions and garlic. Add these vegetables to stir-fry meals, soups, stews, chilies, and salads. 5. Beans. Beans are a superfood loaded with fiber, vitamins, and many other nutrients that ward off breast cancer. The antioxidants in beans can prevent inflammation and repair damaged cells. The vitamins and minerals in beans can also strengthen the immune system to make you less vulnerable to illnesses and diseases like cancer. Several medical studies show that women who eat high amounts of beans have a lower risk of breast cancer. When buying beans, avoid canned beans whenever possible. Canned beans usually contain high amounts of sodium and additives. Buy dry beans instead, which can be cooked quickly and conveniently in a pressure cooker. Dry beans are generally low in cost and easy to store and keep on hand. Beans that can reduce your breast cancer risk include black beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, lentils, navy beans, peas, pinto beans, and soybeans. 6. Spices and herbs. Spices and herbs often get used in small amounts to flavor meals. However, these foods contain high amounts of antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that may prevent breast cancer. Plus, they can get added to nearly every meal to boost its flavor and increase its nutritional value. Turmeric is one of the most well-known anti-cancer spices. This spice reduces inflammation and cell damage. The primary anti-cancer agent in turmeric is curcumin. Turmeric is an earthy, peppery spice used in many Indian dishes and curries. This spice can also get added to rice, soups, and tea. Spices and herbs found to reduce the risk of breast cancer include black pepper, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, ginger, oregano, rosemary, parsley, thyme, and turmeric. 7. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds and various antioxidants that reduce a woman's breast cancer risk. According to a study, women who drink at least 10 cups of green tea may be able to prevent breast cancer. Green tea can reduce inflammation and destroy free radicals that cause various types of cancer. When buying green tea, choose loose tea leaves or buy tea bags without food coloring or other harmful additives. Do not buy commercial brands of green tea with high amounts of sugar and artificial flavors that can cancel out the health benefits of the tea. 8. Walnuts. Walnuts have a long list of benefits and are a great source of heart-healthy fats, including alpha-linolenic acid. Some research suggests that adding walnuts and other types of nuts to your diet could even help protect against breast cancer. According to a 2013 study involving 215 people, those who consumed the highest amount of walnuts, peanuts, and almonds each week were 2 to 3 times less likely to develop breast cancer than those who didn't consume any nuts. Another small study looked at the effect of walnuts on women with breast cancer. The researchers found that consuming 57 grams of walnuts each day for 2 to 3 weeks led to significant changes in levels of specific genes that control the growth and spread of breast cancer cells. The final results. Overall, cancer risk is complex but certainly influenced by your diet. Consuming a balanced diet full of foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and fatty fish may help lower the risk of developing breast cancer. Limiting or avoiding substances like alcohol, highly processed meats, and sugary foods and beverages may be as significant. Remember that for early detection and diagnosis of breast cancer, regular doctor visits and screenings are essential. If you have concerns about your breast cancer risk or the screening procedure, talk to a healthcare professional. Stay tuned for more health-related videos. Quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to like the video.